Hello everyone, and welcome to the Trade Ideas live trading room recap for Friday, January the 29th. My name is Barry Anderson, moderator of your trading room. Any questions you may have for me, you can use this email address right here. And this is a link for the free room. It is 100% free. You do not have to be a member of Trade Ideas to be in our free room. Room is open Mondays to Fridays between 9 a.m. and 3 p.m. Eastern Time. I share my screen. I'm live on the mic. And in the email you're getting, you will see a link to my homepage. On my homepage, you will find a way in which you can take out a subscription with a 15% discount. You'll see a Trade of the Week sign up. You'll also see a link to all the scans that I'm sharing and also a lot of education links. All right, well, I want to cover, I had some great alerts from my options plays, but I also want to just talk about this AI alert. Excuse me, I've had a bit of a sore throat today. Just a second. So take a look at EHTH. Now, the reason I'm showing this is not so much because, it's up or down. Well, you're up 20% on the trade, almost 21%. This is a short, okay? But I really want to show it because look how, well, without a lot of gyration, you don't see, there was the alert right there. There's the down arrow. And there's the alert, but look what happened afterwards. When I say gyration, it's not like all of a sudden you saw a big green candle and then it came down, another one, and hardly any movement up. No, little one right there. So these are the sorts of trades that I just salivate over, quite frankly, because they're easy to stay in. You typically will not get whipped out of a trade like that. So I just wanted to point that one out. Really, that was all that was going on with the AI today. But what a fantastic alert, EHTH. Do want to talk about my. Now this is the moving higher with unusually strong options, okay, and. This is just a non-repeat version. So what that means is instead of my seeing, trib over and over and over again, I see it the first time we had the alert. That's all. That's what the no repeat does. So I can kind of go back and see, okay, great, you got the alert. What did it do afterwards? So look at some of these tricks. TRX. There was the alert right at $1. Got all the way up to $1.92 before it pulled back. Amazing. Okay. CATB, this is one that I traded. CATB, you had the alert at 483. Now this, compare that to the EHTH trade. I had a big bottoming tail here. I actually traded this several times, but ultimately from 483, it got as high as almost $8. This is one that I'm kind of waiting on to see if it later on in the day, TWNK, Twinkie, Hostess brands. I want to see if it takes this out right here. When I looked at the monthly chart, there's really no resistance until around 2017. So I have an alert set right up here to see if it takes it out later on in the day. Now, AWH was choppy, but look what happened. AWH, so the alert was there on that candle, okay? On that candle, it pulled back, and then again, this is a watch list. What I have to always tell or suggest to people, you're using this like a watch list. It doesn't mean that when you get the alert, you have to hop into the trade immediately. You can kind of watch to see how it's trading around the alert area. So look what happened to AWH. It got all the way down to 890, and then at 941 from there is basically straight up to 1050. Before it pulled back. But, so in 45 minutes, there's $1 move. Big percentage moves. This one I didn't like that much, but it did work a little bit. SOS got up to 326. And this one, what did it do? 6. So there it got up to 6. And before it pulled back, 630. So not bad. But obviously the TRX, CATB, and the AWH, awesome alerts from my normal options. So... again, if you want that scan, all you have to do is go to my homepage, and the link is in the email you're getting, and click on the scan section, and it's called Moving Higher with Unusually Strong Options. All right, guys, I want to get back into the trading room. What a week it's been. I'm ready for a break. I don't know about you guys, but I'm definitely ready for this 2-day break after all of the all the stuff that's gone on with halting this, halting that, GME this, GME that. So who knows what next week is going to bring, but we'll certainly be prepared for it. I want to bring back the Capture program. If you have any questions for me, here's the email address you can use. This is a link for the free room. I hope everybody has a great weekend. Rest up, and we'll start all over again bright and early, 9 o'clock Monday morning. Bye-bye.